Show Mommy what you do with your Legos. You don't sit on your Legos. You're supposed to dump them out. What's in there? What's in there? Show Mommy. Yeah. Yeah. You can put the kitty in the window. Put the kitty in the window. Yeah, we put the kitty in the window. Good job. Yay, put the kitty in the window. Here, we'll do it like this. Set it up like this and we'll put the kitty in like this. Hold the window. Here, we'll put the kitty in. There, the kitty's in the window. Uh-oh. There's the kitty. Yeah. Michael, you say Mommy? Mommy. Say Mommy. Michael. Hey. Hey, buddy. Say Mommy. Go get the car. You get the car? Car. 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 Uh-oh. Car. Car. What about the truck? I'm trying to put that on the car. Here. We'll put it on the car. There, it's on the car. Oh. Can you say car? Car.
Oh.
Car.
Bell.
Uh-oh.
Bell.
Okay. Car. Do you want to get your Legos? There's a Mater truck in there. There's a Mater truck. Where's your truck? There's blocks. Block. 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 Where's Blanky at? Can you show Mommy your Blanky? Put it on there? Here, can we put it on this way? Would that be okay if we do it this way? There, how about that? Can you go get Blanky for Mommy? Where's Blanky? Where's Blanky? Michael, where's Blanky? You gonna take them all apart, my little builder? Yeah. There's your truck. There's your truck. That's the Mater truck. Okay, Michael, we're going to say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye to the camera. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye, honey. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Oh! What you got there, Michael? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. All right. Now we're really gonna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.